Hi, I'm Chloe Zale, Senior Recipe Developer at HelloFresh, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick pan sauce to serve with sautéed chicken. We're going to build our sauce right in the pan using the flavors of the chicken. First, pat the chicken breast dry with paper towels, then season generously with salt and pepper. Heat a stainless steel pan over medium-high heat and add a neutral cooking oil. Once the oil starts to shimmer, add the chicken breast. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes per side until it's nicely browned and cooked through. Remove your chicken from the pan to rest for 5 minutes to get the juiciest meat. While the chicken rests, reduce the heat to medium. You see these brown bits? We call those the fond, and they're going to act as the flavor base of our sauce. Now add a 1/4 cup of water and chicken stock concentrate to the pan. We're using the OXO wooden corner spoon, which allows you to reach into the corners and along the walls of the pan, getting every last bit. Once the liquid in the pan reduces by about half, then you know your sauce is thick enough. Last step, turn off the heat and whisk in 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold butter, plus salt and pepper to taste. Now you have the simple, flavorful sauce to serve with your sautéed chicken. If you're looking to brush up on more kitchen techniques, be sure to check out the rest of the videos in our HelloFresh Cooking Tips 101 series.